Guys, interested in another ear spray that spread like wildfire and cause your hair to shine like midday sun? I present to you the Aloe Vera ear spray. Welcome back, my royal family. For those who are new to my channel, if you would like to be a part of this royal family, remember please to give this video a big thumbs up by liking the video, subscribe, share, and also comment. Family, look at this comparing to this just by using all DIYs. Guys, I never know that my hair would grow this long, and this proved to me that black woman can grow their hair long as they are consistent and do what is necessary. So guys, for those who are new on this blog, if you want to get to know me more, you could check out my previous videos by clicking on the upcoming ones. So guys, at this time, please do enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll talk to you in a bit. So what I'm doing here is to place this piece of file paper over it and let it sit for a few hours. Guys, to get this amount, I had my clove fenugreek boiled water to it, and I allow it to sit overnight. Guys, this is the next morning and this is my applicator bottle. I'll be pouring the mixture in this applicator bottle. So guys, we have reached the end of this vlog. I hope you had enjoyed. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Love you. Bye. And I'll see you in the next one. Big up yourself.